Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Minecraft on your Mac. First, open your browser and head over to minecraft.net. Since this is a paid game, you can click the Buy Now button to purchase it. You'll also need an account to log in and play, so you can just use your Microsoft account for this. Next, click on the Download button and then click Download for macOS on the right side. If you're using Safari, make sure to hit Allow to start the download. Once it's downloaded, double-click the minecraft.dmg file and then simply drag the Minecraft icon into your Applications folder. After that's done, you can eject the Minecraft installer from the Finder sidebar just to keep things clean. Now, you can launch the game using Spotlight. Just press Command-Space, type in Minecraft, and hit Enter. The first time you open it, your Mac will ask for confirmation, so just click Open. Give it a moment to update to the latest version. Once the launcher is up and running, if you already have an account, click Sign in with Microsoft. If not, you can click Sign up to create a new one. After logging in, you can either buy the full game or try it out for free for 14 days. Also, if you bought a game key from a third party, click on the Account menu and select Redeem. This is the redemption page, and it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to redeem your code and start playing.